West Custom Fixtures Inc. was founded in 1997 by Anita MacKenzie as a manufacturer of retail store fixtures and specialty millwork projects. 23 years later, we proudly service North America with our 33,000 square foot LEED compliant manufacturing facility and head office in Calgary, Alberta. We also work closely with global partners to offer the best value to our clients. Our specialty is integrating custom design millwork with solid surface, metal, glass, plastic, lighting, signage and graphics as a seamless solutions provider. From concept to completion, our team is with you every step of the way. We provide design, store planning, engineering, manufacturing, shipping and installation, as well as ready-to-go fixtures. Our philosophy here at West is work hard to earn the respect of each and every customer, strategic vendor, our team, and the community we serve. We bring a high standard of craftsmanship and knowledge through our strong tradition of cabinet making. Our skilled journeymen are passionate about building store fixtures. By mentoring apprentices through the inter-provincial Red Seal cabinet making program, a highly skilled team has been created. We know what may work for one customer may not work for another. That's why we understand that our focus is not on just creating a merchandising system for you. Our focus is a commitment to quality and value that supports your image and your budget. Our team works to bring your design to life. We create designs to speak to who your customers are by creating an emotional connection and brand loyalty to your business. We find and value engineer solutions to achieve your budget and produce a successful build. Our goal is to create the retail environment you envision and feel passionate about. We focus on developing solutions for the technical details, materials, and structures to be created. The fast-paced changes in material usage, combined with new lighting technology available, has created an opportunity to work closely with each client and develop prototypes to test new components and new ideas. Our team is ready to earn your business. A commitment to quality and value that supports each customer's image and customer's experience.